Guys, Real Madrid are just failures. Real Madrid could not beat Al Ahly. Al Ahly, team from Saudi Arabia. I hear people say when guys get washed, they should learn Arabic. It's time to learn Arabic. Well, the best team in Europe was playing an Arabic team. The team with the best players in Europe was playing an Arabic team. Well, guess what? They couldn't even win. Yeah? They couldn't even win. With Mbappe, who else? Vini, Rodrigo, you name them. And they could not beat a team from Saudi Arabia. This team from Saudi Arabia had Neymar. You are lucky. You did not meet that team when Neymar was there. So that's it.